Here's I'll show you how to add live follower count in OBS. First of all, go to streamlabs.com website and sign into your account. Now click on your profile photo and go to account settings page. In here, select account settings and select platforms. Now here you will get social media accounts. You have to link your social media accounts with your Streamlabs. Once done, go to dashboard and from dashboard click on all widgets. In here, scroll down and click on the search widget box and search for follower, and here you will find the follower goal widget. Just select the widget and here we can see the preview of follower goal bar. Now it's time to customize it. Click on this background color and go ahead and select a different color just like this. And then under manage goal, click here and type your goal name or title. And then you can set here goal amount. I'm giving goal amount 500 and starting amount giving 470. And add here a end date. So I'm adding a date here and then click on save. And then click on this platform settings drop down and here you get all of your linked account social media. So for example, I want to add follower goal for Facebook and Twitch. So I'm just enabling Facebook and Twitch. And then here you can adjust these settings, font settings, text color. And here we can see the bar settings. From here you can change the bar color. So let's select a different color for the bar. And we can see the bar color successfully changed. Here we can see. And you can also change bar thickness from here. So let's increase the thickness, we can see. And okay. Now all you have to need, click on save settings to save the follower goal and then just click on these link to copy the link. Once copied, go back to your OBS and add scene and under sources click on this plus icon, select browser and I'm renaming it follower goal and adding the widget link here and click on OK. And then here we can see the follower goal successfully added. Now you can resize your follower goal widget as well from here, and that's how you can actually do it.